How to check photo location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. From this page, open any photo you want. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Details icon in the middle. You can view all the photo information and details over here, such as the caption, camera information, lens information, date and time, size of the photo and more. As you can see, you can also view the location of the photo. Scroll down and tap on the map to get a more specific location. You can repeat this to check the location of all your other photos and videos. Following these steps, you can easily check photo location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.